Hello everyone, and thank you for watching the video. This is the tool that we just received to remove dandelions from our yard. Haven't used it yet. Just looking it over. Seems to be a pretty solid tool from what I can tell. We'll call these the tines. There's two of them. They seem to be pretty solid. Good welds. It looks like you can replace these. See there, this little plate is screwed on to this part here. This will be where you put your foot. The whole tool here is pretty lightweight. I don't know the weight of this, but I'm guessing maybe 5 pounds, 6 pounds. If I find out, I'll let you know. Handles are very comfortable here. It's a rubber, almost a foam. It's not a foam, but it's like a kind of a bicycle grip feel to it. This right here is where you would eject the dandelion's root. So I'm just going to push that, and you can see it'll be pushing the root bulb away or out of the tool. To use it, you just step on it into the ground, right over the plant, in our case dandelion. You just press it down over that and give it a turn up here. It should rip it up from the ground, and then you can eject it just like I showed you. That's the whole concept. I'm going to see how good it does work, so I'm going to go out in the yard. I'm going to remove this right here. That's the name of it right there. So let's go try it out. So let's try it out right here. I'm going to try to remove all of this right here. Maybe you can see it does go pretty deep. It's got all the dandelion there, the whole root system. So now we're just gonna get rid of it. That's what we have left. And we can just fill that in with some topsoil. We're good here. Here's another one here. All of that. We want to get all that out right there. So the ground is not muddy, but it's not dry either. We had rain about 4 days ago. It's probably the perfect condition to do this. I haven't had any trouble using the tool. It's been working great. So I guess that's going to be it for this Corona yard tool for removing dandelion root or any other unwanted plants in your yard without having to use chemicals. I think it's a pretty solid tool. I just don't see how you would easily break this tool. I mean, I really don't. At least with what I'm working with here, I just don't see how you would break it. Maybe if you push down super fast and hard on some dry dirt. I mean, really dry dirt, where it maybe like drought type of dirt. That may could break it, I guess. But who's going to probably do that? The grip here is so comfortable. It's not going to be easy to get blisters, if at all. I think it's a nice design. So if you try this, good luck. Hope it works out for you. I think it's going to work out for me. If I have any problems later on with anything, I'll definitely leave an update. But so far, everything's looking good. And it's really easy to use. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day. Take care.